Hi guys, and I didn't have time to actually show the entry on this particular trade. I just took it before my recording equipment could come back online. But we are in a trade, and I am now waiting for the trade to play out. I'm hoping that it will hit my take profit target sometime soon so that I can record it for you guys. The rules were met as per the system for entering the trade. I've set a tight take profit target here, and let's just wait and see how this plays out. Might have to hang around a bit. Just want to show you that sometimes it can take a little bit of time. It's nearly at my level above this support area here, and that's exactly where I placed it. Normally I would just manually close it at this point because it's right here, but just for purposes of the demonstration to especially the newbies, I want to just show how the trade can play out and hit your target, how it actually transpires, and just hoping to record this, so please bear with me. I might have to come backwards and forwards a bit, and this is what makes trading so exciting sometimes. It's just at that point, it just has to go through it, and then the order will be taken out in profit. And as I said, I could actually just at this stage move my stop down to break even, and but I just want to demonstrate that this can go through the target area. Okay, so I'm back, and I still see that it's just hovering around the line, so I'll be back shortly. Okay, so now we can see it's still just on the line. We've got a blue candle forming there, but just not taking us out. So let's come back again in a short while. I'll be back shortly. Okay, and back, and it's still just on my line. So let's just wait and see how this transpires. I'm sure it's going to close out anytime now. There we go, finally. And that trade would have closed out in profit. Let's have a look at that. $2,895 in profit. Not bad. We had to wait a while, but let's put it on the chart. Entered over there, set our stop and take profit targets, and within about 3 hours we completed our trade. Thanks guys. Okay guys, we're live on the pound USD 15-minute chart. All the conditions for a conservative buy trade are met, so I'm just entering this trade now. There we go, just entered the trade. I'm now going to look to set my take profit and stop loss levels according to the rules for my system, and I'll manually show you how to do that. There we go, I've set them already, and there we go. I'm going for a 1-to-1 risk to reward in this particular trade. And well, we're going to have to see how this plays out now and give it a bit of time to breathe. So I'll be back shortly. Come back, and price is still heading up towards the take profit target. We're still a way to go yet. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and we can see that price actually in the interim has taken out my take profit over here, and not bad for just under an hour's worth of work. $4,000 plus made. Excellent. I'm very happy with these results. Okay guys, so I'm on the Euro USD 15-minute chart, and I've just actually entered a trade. Didn't have time to record it. We were waiting just for our signals to appear as per the rules of our infinite profit system, and this is an aggressive type trade, as certain of the bars are colored blue, and otherwise if they were all red we'd be going conservative, and I'll explain more about this in the members manual. But anyway, we've set our stop up here, we entered there, and we've got our take profit target set for here. So we could have targeted, of course, a bit further, but in these times, this is aggressive. We'll be back soon. Okay, I'm back, and this trade is played out. We can see that we made $2,440 here in roughly 1 to 2.5 hours. And everything went smoothly here. Our stop loss was up there, never really in any danger at all. And it was just a question of time before we hit our targets, which we did, quick and easy, nothing to it really. And one just has to follow the rules and you'll come out on top. Thank you, guys. Hi guys, and this will be a quick video because I've just entered into a trade. I'm going long, a buy trade. All my conditions were met for a conservative buy trade. Okay, I'm back, and we can see that on this chart we have been successful, of course, with this trade. It took a wee while to play out, a few hours, but not a bad return result for that, $2,265. See you again soon. Okay guys, so we're on the pound USD 50-minute chart, about to enter a sell trade, and let's just give it a moment. Right, and all of the conditions for entering a sell trade for a conservative type style of trading for the system are in place. And I've been looking at the indicators and the lines, and we'll explain more fully in the members area to our members what we were exactly looking for here. But basically all the colors are in alignment here. Everything is ready for a sell trade. And so I'm going to be entering into a sell trade now. Right, so we've entered the trade. And we are now in the market, going short, into that candle there. I'm going to set my stop loss just above this area here, and I'll be looking to set a target just above the support area below. Okay, so let me modify this trade. I want to show you how to do it manually. We'll enter our stop loss area here, which I measured out already, and take profit. And there we go. That should appear now on our charts. That's okay. We can see that is the take profit target. That is the stop loss area on top here. And now we just have to come back and monitor the trade. Okay, we're back, and we can see that our trade has been closed. We were successful, of course, with the red line indicating the candle on which we entered the trade. And eventually we were taken out just over an hour later for $2,170. Easy trade, followed the system rules, and no problems whatsoever. Thanks guys for watching. Okay, so we're on the Euro USD 50-minute chart. I'm about to enter into a sell trade. All the conditions for conservative sell entry are met, and there's still time for me to get in on this one. So let me do that now. Entering sell. That's great. So we're in the trade, but let me set my stop and take profit. Right, so I'm modifying the order. My stop loss and take profit targets have been set. And there we go. I've set quite a tight take profit this time around. And let's just wait and see. Right, it's not that long, and I'm back already. And we can see within one candle my take profit target was hit. And we made over $1,000 just on a single candle. No time at all by following the rules. Thanks for watching, guys. Here we have the entry level, stop loss and take profit. And there we go.